Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mage Knight. First, lay out the main game board and place the 3 starting city tiles. Each player chooses a character, taking their figure, starting deck of 16 cards and 3 basic action tokens. Shuffle the deed deck and reveal 5 cards to form the offer row. Don't forget to set up the source and unit offer displays. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth game. A game round consists of several phases, starting with the day or night phase, which dictates available actions. During your turn, you'll play cards from your hand to perform actions like moving across the map, engaging in combat with enemies, or influencing cities and keeps. Managing your hand of 5 cards and utilizing your crystal resources effectively is key to maximizing your turn's potential and achieving your goals. Beyond basic actions, Mage Knight offers deeper strategic layers. Advanced combat involves considering enemy resistances, your armor and unit abilities. Gaining reputation and fame is vital for recruiting powerful units and conquering fortified cities. Efficiently cycling your deck, combining card effects, and planning several turns ahead will allow you to explore more, defeat tougher foes, and ultimately become a legendary Mage Knight. Victory in Mage Knight is typically achieved by accumulating the most fame points through exploration, combat, and conquering cities by the end of the game. Different scenarios offer unique objectives, so always check your chosen scenario's specific victory conditions. Remember to tally your points carefully, considering all your achievements and conquered territories. For more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check out the link in the description below, along with other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.